Did you know that you can get involved in real estate without costly construction, without tenants, without termites, without, dealing with those late night phone calls? Well, in the real estate space, we call it tenants, termites, and toilets. You can get involved in real estate without all of those things. And one of the reasons why I like people to get involved in real estate is because real estate is one of those things that help you build wealth. It's essential to you building wealth. And there's a quote that talks about how important it is to invest in real estate. Real estate has made more millionaires than any other like industry, right? Well, guess what? We're having a special guest. His name is Scott Slachter, and he's going to come and teach you all about how you can get involved in real estate. And I'm excited to have him. We're doing this event, how you can get involved without costly construction. His name is Scott Slachter. Scott is an amazing presenter, and he's going to show you exactly how you can get involved in real estate and build your wealth without dealing with tenants, termites, and toilets. So you're watching this video. All you got to do is there will be a link on the video. All you got to do is click on that link to register. The event is free, so all you have to do is show up. I hope to see you there. Bye bye.